Welcome everybody. Today's work will be quick and easy. We have a problem. This flag is hanging down, falling over, touching the ground, all this stuff. So made a quick fix. This holder I used to have here, built that about 2 years ago. We're gonna fix it up and install it so the flag will have a proper place. This is yeah, very stable. That should do the trick. Pace. Just working in the shop a little bit. I painted this wall here brown. I only had brown in stock. Didn't feel like going to the store and buying anything fancy, but yeah, found a gallon of brown paint in the garage and I thought, why not? Okay, so it looks better than having holes and crap all over the place. So got this, and now I'm trying to install a shelf right about here. So this is alright, looks like it will do. So this was repurposed. You can see this is an old sign. These are scrap pieces. This is scrap. This is the only piece that I had to cut from a fresh board to make it, you know, tie together. So I don't care what it looks like on the bottom here. I just want something functional, something that looks somewhat decent.